Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to strum on every beat. Earlier we have worked on how we can strum on the first beat in the bar. Now we are making a little enhancement to the same exercise. We'll work on the same 4x4 pattern here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are following along the lessons, we already practiced tapping our foot along the beats and should be feeling the down strums on the beat in a music. Now, in this lesson, we are going to strum on each beat in the bar and not only on the first beat. By the way, bar is grouping of beats. So, 4x4 pattern will be counting along like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll strum along the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you are going to practice strumming exercises going forward. Wrap your fretting hand around the neck and mute all the strings. Then tap the foot and down strum simultaneously and count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to do it a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever we are doing exercises like this, remember we are making it a habit. The more you do, the better. I'll put a TED video link up there and in the description to know why. The more, the better. In a nutshell, we are trying to make an automatic response from our body when we listen to the beats. Usually, on the beats, we make a down strum. However, there are exceptions to this rule, but most of the cases, a beat is a downstrum for us. So, doing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 will get you used to the count and the beats. In the process, your hand and foot will synchronize and you won't have to think about it too much. Developing that relationship is what we are going after. Eventually, your foot tapping works as a pulse, and when you develop the hand to foot coordination, as the foot gets going, the hand gets strumming too. You listen to the music, tap your foot, and your hand automatically follows the down strums. The best way to improve this coordination is practice. Counting, on the other hand, helps in understanding the strumming patterns. As we move forward, we are gonna use the counting. Some of you might be cursing me. Is this what I came here for? Counting 1, 2, 3, 4 like a child? Trust me, this may not be the funniest thing to do on an instrument, but definitely it has a lot to do with playing music the right way in the long run. You don't have to spend a lot of time in this practice. Just a minute in each practice session will make a lot of improvements. Just keep doing it every day until the next strumming exercise comes. On your way, you may find songs that are too fast and you can't keep the strums going on. Something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In these cases, simply strum on the first beat: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or strum on alternate beats: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, one strum a bar on the first beat or two strums a bar on first and third beat. Eventually, you'll be able to play all four down strums in a bar: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Count along as well. Counting is not necessary, but we need the counts going forward. So keep doing that. The reason I am pushing this too much is because this is one of the building blocks in strumming. In future, we'll learn new strumming patterns using these blocks. And as I have told you earlier as well, strumming is one-time learning and can be applied to nearly every non-board string instruments with little adaptations. So give yourself some time and have patience to learn it once and for all.